We sat down with ChatGPT recently and here's what popped out. Having a conversation with ChatGPT about crafting a great listing title for vacation rentals. User: give me a great prompt for writing a captivating and attention-getting headline for a vacation rental listing. ChatGPT: escape to paradise. Luxurious oceanfront retreat with endless amenities and breathtaking views. User: I need the nuts and bolts of the prompt you used to generate that great title. ChatGPT: certainly. Here's the breakdown of the elements used to generate the headline. Attention-grabbing hook. Escape to paradise. This phrase immediately captures attention and invokes a sense of excitement and desire for a relaxing getaway. Descriptive setting. Luxurious oceanfront retreat. Highlighting the luxurious nature of the vacation rental creates an image of an upscale and comfortable experience for potential guests. Abundance of features. Endless amenities. Emphasizing the wide range of amenities available at the rental suggests a fulfilling and enjoyable stay for guests. Stunning views. Breathtaking views. The mention of breathtaking views creates an image of scenic beauty and reinforces the idea of a picturesque location. Combining these elements creates a captivating and attention-getting headline that entices potential guests to explore the vacation rental listing further. User: please show me the AI-specific prompt. ChatGPT: certainly. Here's an AI-specific prompt you can use to generate a captivating and attention-getting headline for a vacation rental listing. Prompt: generate a captivating and attention-getting headline for a vacation rental listing that highlights the unique features and appeals to potential guests. By using this prompt, the AI will have a clear understanding of your desired outcome and generate a headline that focuses on the unique features and appeals to potential guests, resulting in a captivating and attention-grabbing title for your vacation rental listing. User: then, how do I make it vacation rental listing specific? ChatGPT: apologies for any confusion. To make the AI prompt more specific to a vacation rental listing, you can modify it as follows. Prompt: generate a captivating and attention-getting headline for a beachfront vacation rental listing that showcases its unique features and appeals to potential guests seeking a relaxing and luxurious getaway. By specifying that it's a beachfront vacation rental listing and mentioning the desire for a relaxing and luxurious getaway, you provide the AI with more context to generate a headline that aligns with a specific type of rental property you are promoting. Now, along with chain of prompting ChatGPT, you can tweak and bend the output it will give you. Once you become comfortable with it, you can use some of the enhanced prompt sequences. Some examples are shown next by simply asking ChatGPT how best to work with it. User: can you give me an example of some enhanced prompts to help me utilize your AI technology better? ChatGPT: certainly. Here are some enhanced prompts that can help you utilize the AI technology more effectively. As an AI language model, please help me generate a detailed step-by-step guide on how to insert specific task or process. I need assistance in brainstorming ideas for insert topic or project. Can you provide me with a list of creative suggestions and potential solutions? I'm writing a research paper on insert subject. Could you help me gather relevant information, outline key points, and provide me with some supporting arguments or examples? Can you generate a persuasive essay discussing the pros and cons of insert controversial topic? Please provide me with a balanced argument and supporting evidence. I'm interested in exploring a futuristic scenario where describe a hypothetical situation. Can you help me by writing a short story or narrative that unfolds in this scenario? I want to improve my storytelling skills. Can you assist me by generating an engaging opening paragraph for a insert genre story? I'm planning a trip to insert destination. Please help me create an itinerary that includes popular attractions, local cuisine recommendations, and any travel tips or hacks. I need assistance in learning a new language. Can you provide me with vocabulary words, sample sentences, and practice exercises to reinforce my understanding? As a marketer, I'm looking for innovative ideas to promote a product, service. Can you help me generate a catchy tagline or suggest some unique marketing strategies? I want to engage in a meaningful conversation about insert topic. Can you provide me with thought-provoking questions or arguments to stimulate discussion? Remember, these are just examples, and you can adapt them to suit your specific needs and goals. Feel free to be as specific as possible in your prompts to get the most relevant and useful responses. You can get pretty granular with your quest for more knowledge and content based on your needs. That's all for now from your friendly neighborhood AI voice smiley face. Enjoy! LOL. Kinda creepy, huh?